Mom, you haven't eaten again.
Your father. He didn't even look back, baby. Just like that. Another marriage.
I know it hurts. But we are still here. We still have each other.
30 years and he left like it was nothing. What did I do wrong?
Nothing, Mom. Some people lose their way. That's all.
How will we manage now?
I've been thinking I want to start something. A clothing business.
Business. But we don't have much money.
We have determination. And I've learned enough. I'll start small, even if it's just a few pieces.
It won't be easy.
Easy never made anyone strong, Mom.
This design is beautiful. Did you make?
Yes, Madame. Handmade with care.
You're doing it. You're really doing it.
Yes, Mom. But we're doing it.
I never thought I would smile like this again. Life gives second chances. We just have to take them. Met someone. He's kind. He understands everything.
Then why are you worried?
What will people say?
People didn't stay when we were suffering. Why should their words matter now? You look happy, Mom.
I feel happy after so long. That's all that matters.
Your marriage is complete. Now, you may kiss each other.
Who is coming at this hour?
Let's check.
I want to come back.
Why now?
She left me. Took everything. All my money, I have nothing.
When you left, we also had nothing.
I made a mistake. Please, forgive me.
Forgiveness is one thing, but trust is another.
I am your father.
A father doesn't walk away when his family needs him the most.
I cried for you. Waited for you. But now I have found peace.
So, this is it. You won't take me back.
We build our life again from nothing. With respect. With dignity.
And this time, we won't let anyone break it again.
You turned pain into strength.
No, Mom. We turned it into something beautiful. Like these clothes.
Life tested us.
And we passed. We're happy now. That's the main thing.